Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, November 10th, 2022. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. We start off first with tranquil conditions throughout the region. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 30s over the far northern interior, lower to mid 40s in your suburbs, and upper 40s to lower 50s in your urban areas with light and variable winds and scattered cloud cover. When we take a look at our surface map and radar, I think you can all see what is going to draw everyone's attention, which is Tropical Storm Nicole that has made landfall and tracking over Florida with heavy rainfall and some strong winds. Nicole is expected to continue to track through Florida, basically move right along the coast on the panhandle, and then start to swing into Georgia. This warm front is going to signify the tropical air that is associated with Nicole surging up the coast. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to introduce the potential for some very heavy rainfall for the region starting late tomorrow morning and continuing on into Saturday with a cold front that follows right behind it. So here's some details on Nicole. It has winds of 16 miles per hour, moving to the west-northwest at 14 miles per hour. And again, it's going to be tracking through Florida, then right along the Panhandle's coast, and then swinging right up through Georgia and into South Carolina, rapidly transitioning into what we call an extratropical storm. On a satellite picture, you can see right now it is beautiful out, but you can see the clouds that are starting to increase. And when we zoom out and take a look at our infrared satellite picture, there is Nicole. And notice we are seeing the strongest lifting on the western side of the circulation. That's very important because Nicole's center is going to be tracking to the west of us, which means it's going to put us more on the waves of rainfall with scattered thunderstorms theme rather than widespread steady heavy rainfall that could push your rainfall totals over 2 inches and possibly over 3 inches like we might see in portions of the Appalachians. Right around northeastern Pennsylvania could see around 2-3 inches of rain out of this, around the Poconos, maybe even the Catskills, as this whole setup evolves. Now, a little bit further to the west, you see this right here? This is our cold front. This is going to be basically kicking all this mess out. But as it does so, it's going to be lifting a ton of moisture and also produce some very heavy rainfall and some embedded thunderstorms on Saturday morning, early Saturday morning. In fact, you'll probably be sleeping through most of this unless you get woken up by this event. So let's walk through the forecast. For today, look for scattered cloud cover with temperatures rising into the upper 50s to lower 60s. Tonight, increasing cloud cover is expected with lows in the lower to mid 50s. For tomorrow morning, rain starts to break out, becoming widespread after 10 a.m. with temperatures rebounding into the mid to upper 60s by the time we get to the afternoon, with waves of showers and thunderstorms. Lows will be in the lower to mid 50s. Highs will be in the mid to upper 60s. We'll get a bit of a break in the rainfall late in the evening tomorrow, followed by our cold front that moves through early Saturday morning. Temperatures on Saturday will hold in the lower to mid 50s over the interior, upper 50s to mid 60s along the coast. Temperatures remain holding around the mid to upper 50s over the interior and mid to upper 60s along the coast until the cold front moves through in the afternoon, and then we start to see everything free fall. Most of your rainfall with this storm will be from 10 a.m. on Friday, tomorrow, continue on through about 8 p.m. That's going to be the warm front. Then we'll get a break from roughly 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. Then from 2 a.m. Saturday to about 8 a.m., you'll get your cold front moving through with showers and thunderstorms, and then everything clears out after 8 a.m. and Saturday afternoon it's generally dry. On Sunday, we have a weak trough that swings on through, possibly an isolated shower or two, but for the most part I'm expecting scattered cloud cover, much chillier. Low temperatures will range from the mid to upper 30s over the interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 40s over the interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. On Monday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover expected. Look for low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. On Tuesday, high pressure starts to give way with increasing cloud cover and possibly an isolated shower in the evening hours, should I say. Look for temperatures to range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 40s. On Wednesday, an area of low pressure will move through the coastal waters. Now, this is going to lead to periods of rain along the coast. But for those of you in the Poconos, Catskills, Hudson Highlands, especially elevations above 1,000 feet, you'll have a chance of seeing some snow mixing over to rain. So it's going to be a wintry mix on Wednesday morning with some snow accumulation, possibly the first snow accumulation of the year. We'll have to see how this all plays out. Look for low temperatures to range from the lower to mid 30s over the interior and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 40s over the interior and mid to upper 40s along the coast. A few lower to mid 50s possibly on the immediate coast. We'll see how this low pressure system tracks and the steady rainfall and see how that impacts the temperatures. But generally looks like a raw day next Wednesday. And then on Thursday, high pressure builds in with scattered cloud cover. Low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior, and mid to upper 40s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.